Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it is a Let's Get Fit collaboration that is hosted by Miss Amechi, and you guys can check out her channel. It will be linked in my description box down below, as well as her other channel, Grandma Does It All. Both of those will be linked in my description box down below. I am the co-host Sierra, and today we're just going to do a Let's Get Fit collaboration where we can share workouts, how to get fit, what we're doing to get fit. But for my video today, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different juicing recipes that I have been using to incorporate fruits and vegetables into my weekly routine so that my body gets the great benefits of the fruits and vegetables. So in today's video, I have 4 different recipes, and let's go ahead and start with the first one, apple lemonade. For this, you just simply need 3 items. Yes, 3 items only. You need a thumb of ginger. So luckily this was $1.99. I am able to use this on multiple juicing recipes with the size that it is. So you'll need a thumb of the ginger, 1 lemon peeled, and then you also need 3 red apples. I have the Fiji apples here, and so I'm going to be using these 3, and it is going to take just less than 5 minutes, and it's only going to be 1 serving. Some of the benefits of this juice is that it's going to increase your energy, it's going to be detoxifying, it's going to reduce the inflammation, and it also aids weight loss. It's also a good source of immune boosting. So this is a really great apple lemonade juice that you all can quickly make. As I said before, it only makes 1 serving, so if you would like to make more than 1 serving, just double up on what you are putting into the juicer. So I am cutting up the lemons, peeling them, and I'm cutting up the apples, and I'm going to cut 1 thumb of the ginger. I'm then going to go ahead and juice it and put it into containers. These containers that you see here in this video are from Amazon, and I recently just bought some new ones from Temu. So they will be linked in my description box down below. As well as if you find anything on Temu, use my code OFF8989 in order to get 30% off of your first order. So if you like these containers, you could easily find these on Temu and get 30% off of the entire order. I'm going to be showing you all how to make a mango dragon fruit lemonade. This recipe only calls for 3 mangoes. You'll also need 2 lemons, and you will also need just 1 dragon fruit. So I have the pink one here. Some of you guys might choose to prefer to substitute this one for the yellow one, and it is totally up to you. You guys can try this instead of going to Starbucks. This juice is delicious, and it's refreshingly sweet, and it has a slightly tart taste. It does have a thicker consistency because of the mango, but you definitely can add some ice and water to give it a smoother consistency if you would like. If doing it, use equal parts of ice and juice when drinking. The dragon fruit is so easy to peel. You just peel it off, as well as the mangoes. You can just take a spoon and scoop it. For this recipe, you do need 3 mangoes, 1 dragon fruit, and 2 lemons. The lemons do need to be peeled, and the mango has to be cut up. Put everything into your juicer. Go ahead and let it juice. And then I'm just going to use the strainer like I do for any other juice, just to get the extra pulp out, and go ahead and break it down into containers. This takes roughly about 15 minutes, And for this juice, it only is going to make enough for 2 servings. Alright, so for our third juicing recipe, it is just simply one of my favorites, and it's a go-to in our house. This recipe right here is just simply using cucumbers, lemons, and apples. So it is a cucumber, lemon, apple juice that just simply is going to taste so good. The lemon is going to bring out the apples and the cucumbers, and the cucumbers are really great at juicing, so it gives a lot of juice. It adds the apples add like the sweetness to it. The lemon is just gonna add like that flavor for detox. The apple cucumber juice is a nourishment for early mornings. It is very beneficial for making a light and invigorating way to detoxify your body. Some of the amounts of fiber is lost in making the juice, but you definitely can benefit from the remaining. This juice is a healthy one where the apples are the benefit because they contain a variety of different things, and all of these make a strong antioxidants. The cucumber is filled with very few calories to offer, but it is water filled, and it just makes up for water needed for the day. The lemon juice is a very great source of vitamin C that is needed, but both of the nutrients together can help your skin to be glowing. And there are 2 key ingredients to maintain a healthy heart, and that is the apple and the cucumber. So I thought that I would stop in and just say that this one is definitely one of my favorites. The lemon, the cucumber, and the apple is just something that's really sweet, and I love when I have leftovers that I cannot fit into the 4-ounce or 8-ounce bottles, so I just drink it. Whew, nice and sweet. Let's move on. And of course, last but not least, one of my new recipes that I've been trying is using pineapple, mangoes, pears, and oranges. I have no idea what to call this, but it is something that I just wanted to try, and it is something that I'm really loving lately, just adding in all the juices and everything else. So let's go ahead and get into our last juicing recipe for the day. The items that I use for this juice is 1 whole pineapple that's going to get cut into half. The other half will get saved for when using another juice, so I am going to freeze it. I also am going to be using 2 pears, 1 mango, and 3 oranges. Some of the benefits of this juice is that it's going to promote hydration. It is rich in antioxidants. It also contains vitamin A and has been said to help improve eyesight. It aids in decreasing inflammation, yes, decreasing, and it supports a healthy heart function, and it also supports a brain function and mental health. So this is just one that I recently started making because I wanted to add in pears into my juicing, and I've gotten very comfortable with doing the mangoes. With the oranges, I just peeled those back, cut the pears, cut the mangoes up, scooped the mangoes, and used half of that pineapple. As I said before, the other half of the pineapple went into the freezer so that I can use it for another time. All of these juices that I have made today basically came out yellow or orange looking. Meanwhile, the only juice that came out green was the apple, cucumber, and lemon juice. You all can feel free to add water to any of these juices to kind of make them a little bit more as far as the quantity of how many come out. You also can add water for a greater taste. So there it is. There's all of my recipes that you all have seen for juicing. I hope that this helps everyone else to get fit and get their bodies right, because I know that it's definitely going to get mine in shape, right, and feeling cleansed, detoxed, and everything else. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you consider subscribing to my channel, and also to comment down below what juice would be your favorite, which one you're willing to try, or which one you actually like. Also, down in my description box is the link for the Let's Get Fit collab. Be sure to click on it, go and support the other ladies, let them know that Ciara sent you, and consider subscribing to their channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.